Billy's. Wait a minute. No
Wait,
touch.
Aiden.
Let Aunt Bev get Billy. Up, Billy. Tyler. Ooh. Push that button. Good. Again.
Look at this.
Whoa. Steph. Look.
Look
Hook.
Look at
Do more. Come on, do more. Whoa.
I'm not doing that though. It's the hand thing, it's the glove.
Stephanie, look.
I'm looking. I'm trying to look at both of my kids at the same time.
He's so excited.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Oh. Do more. Touch.
Wow!
How about over here? Right here.
Oh yeah, now you're talking, sister.
Sorry.
Sissy.
Yeah. Pretty.
Look at this.
Those are you, not me. Those are cute though.
Whoa.
You like them, right?
No.
Oh no.
Oh no. Now
Pretty.
That's more like it. I would wear those. Totally.
Wow.
Put some more stuff, put some bling on it.
Oh, I love his face.
Whoa!
Pretty. Pretty. Steph, look.
I'm looking. Abba, you broke it?
No, it's not broke.
He thinks it's broke.
Let's start over. He wants a dark blank piece.